Hey everyone, it's Trevor here at Legacy Dodge in Claresholm, and I cannot fathom another van that looks as good as this. Check out this 2024 Chrysler Pacifica Pinnacle all-wheel drive. This one's finished in Fathom Blue Pearl. We've got those gorgeous Sepia seats. We've got power sliding doors, 360 camera, 20 speaker Harman Kardon premium surround sound system. Folks, look at that interior. Woo-hoo! Dual pane panoramic sunroof, throw cushions. Are you kidding me? Look at the size of that thing. If you're into technology, you're gonna absolutely love this. So we've got the 360 exterior cameras, which is great, but one of my favorite features is fam cam. So you can actively monitor what's going on in any given seat at any given time. So if the kids have got the cell phones and you're trying to keep an eye on them, well, I won't tell you what to do with this, but you know the drill. Speaking of cell phones, we've got a wireless RAM charger right here. This one's actually called the wireless charging pad in this Pacifica. Dual USB and dual lightning ports. You've got your Blu-ray. Why do I have a Blu-ray player? I'm glad you asked. Pull that power sliding door back. Look at this. Dual DVD screens. We've got the sliding console. We've got underfloor storage bins. Power reclining rear seat. I'm pretty sure this thing would go to space if you asked it to. You've also got slide controls for the front seats to get them up and out of the way, heated second row seats, power sliding door control, power window, manual sunshades, tri-zone air conditioning, micro suede headliner, and a traditional mirror to keep an eye on everybody in the back seat. What a van, folks. Built in Canada, right here, right now at Legacy Dodge in Claresholm, 403-625-4555. Take it home today.